In today's video, I will walk you through the essential steps of setting up Metatrader 4, connecting it to a CoinEx broker, adding trading symbols to your charts, and opening a demo account. This tutorial is particularly useful for beginners or anyone needing a detailed guide to efficiently use Metatrader 4. To get started, you need to install Metatrader 4. Firstly, you'll need to download Metatrader 4 through a broker. For our demonstration, I'll be using CoinEx Brokerage as an example. Begin by clicking the CoinEx link provided in the video description or by visiting coinex.com. When you arrive at the CoinEx website, go to the Platform section and choose Metatrader 4 EA. Then scroll down for more details. We have download options for Windows, iPhone, and Android. I'm using a Windows operating system, so by simply clicking this button, you initiate the downloading of an essential Metatrader 4 setup file. Once the download is complete, ensure you save this setup file to your desktop, resulting in a Metatrader 4 setup file resting on your desktop. To kickstart the process, execute a double-click on the setup file. This action activates the Metatrader 4 client terminal setup. The first step involves agreeing to the terms by selecting Next. Once the installation is done, click Finish. Allow the green loading bar to complete its progression, at which point you can click Next. This straightforward action concludes the installation procedure and seamlessly launches the Metatrader 4 platform. As the platform unfolds before you, a default setting greets you. This entails multiple charts, open windows, and an inviting Open an Account option. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll proceed to close this window temporarily in order to guide you through the step-by-step process. Connecting CoinEx Broker account to your Metatrader 4 is essential for trading. First, you need to create a CoinEx account. Visit coinex.com, and once on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Open an Account button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. On the registration page, you will be asked to provide your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and country of residence. Choose a strong password for your account to ensure security, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Sign Up. CoinEx will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Input this code on the website and click Submit to complete your account verification. Once your account is verified, click on the Demo Account section and select Create Account with Metatrader 4. Decide on the leverage ratio you want to use, keeping in mind that higher leverage increases both potential profits and potential losses. Select the currency you wish to use for depositing and withdrawing funds. Then click on Create New Metatrader 4 Demo Account. Your CoinEx demo account will now be successfully created. Make sure to copy your account credentials and keep them somewhere safe, as you will need these details to log into the Metatrader 4 platform. Next, let's log in our CoinEx demo account credentials on Metatrader 4. Open Metatrader 4. Navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner and select Open an Account. This action brings forth a new window, revealing a selection of servers. Opt for the initial server on the list and proceed by clicking Next. Subsequently, the platform prompts you to provide essential information. Remember, we already created a demo account on CoinEx. Now click on Existing Trade Account, input your trading ID, input password, then click Finish. With these steps, you've successfully connected your CoinEx demo trading account to Metatrader 4. The distinctive bling sound signals the incoming data feed, and you'll find a preset collection of default charts ready for your utilization. Additionally, the notification for incoming mail is an integral aspect of the procedure. In situations involving multiple windows, the option to close them is readily available. Employ the X button to close the existing windows. Now, with everything cleared, you're staring at a blank slate. There are no charts, windows, or panes cluttering your platform. This is as clean as it gets, providing you with a perfect starting point for building your trading environment. Let's begin by adding some charts. Look for the Add Chart button. Clicking on it will bring up a list of currency pairs. You'll see various trading pairs. For demonstration purposes, let's choose the British pound and US dollar pair. This will display a default black chart with a white grid. You can add more desired chart tab by clicking on Add Chart button and select your desired pair. At the bottom over here, you can switch between your currency pairs. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up Metatrader 4 connected to CoinEx, added your preferred trading symbols, and created a demo account.